was gonna stay here with the kids.
What? What's up, Silky Smooth gang? We're getting ready to reveal the Forgiatos, custom painted by yours truly, Custom Instinct. So we're gonna pull the car out. We're gonna get some nice driving footage for y'all, and hope y'all enjoy the video. We'll see y'all right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Yes, sir. That's how we do it over here at Custom Instinct. Now you want to be quiet. So this was the driver of the footage. Big bro did a good, awesome job recording, holding the camera. So what did y'all think, guys? Oh, this is the first time you seen it too in person. So what did you think? It look good riding?
It look good.
I think it looks way better. Yes, sir. Huh?
It look ghostly.
It look a little more meaner with these. Once we do that wide body kit and drop it a little bit more, I think it's over. Supercharger coming soon, guys. Yes, sir. Let me get that good old thumbnail. And y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.